I'm so glad we finally have some time for ourselves. Honestly, it feels like we've been running around all week. I love you so much. Just being here with you like this, it's everything. Even if we still have to sneak around and keep it all quiet, I don't care. You're worth it. Yeah, I know, I'm a total romantic. I'm sorry. All right, baby, your turn to pick the movie. That one? Seriously? You and your movie taste. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. You know, I'll watch anything with you. Now, come snuggle up with me and press play. Wait, what was that the garage door? Oh my god, I thought you said your parents weren't coming back until tomorrow. Oh, no, fuck. If they find me here, I'm dead. We're both dead. Okay, maybe I can slip out the back. No, wait, the window. I could totally jump out the window, right? What? Hide? Are you serious? Where the hell am I supposed to hide? Under the couch? The closet? In your room? Okay, I'll hide there. Wait, you're coming too? Why? What are you doing? Why would you need to hide? What do you mean we're supposed to be home tonight? You thought your parents were staying at a friend's place? Shit. So neither of us is supposed to be here. Fantastic. So now we're both completely screwed. Okay, come on. Let's hide. Okay, get in. Hurry. Shit, it's so tight in here. I can barely move. Sorry, my bad. Ow! Elbow. That was my elbow. Ow. I cannot believe this is happening. This is not how tonight was supposed to go. We're supposed to be having, not hiding in a goddamn closet. Wait, what is that? Is that a vase? You keep it in your closet because you like your clothes to smell like lavender. Oh, baby, you do remember I'm allergic to pollen, right? Oh my god, I knew hiding was a bad idea. I knew I should have just jumped out the damn window. And it's dusty in here. It's really dusty, and I'm allergic to dust too. You know how strong my sneezes are, and once I start sneezing, I can't stop. You know that. Oh my god. Oh no. I feel one coming. It's you. Of course, I'm trying not to sneeze. I don't want to get caught. Oh no. It's you. I'm sorry, but it's not exactly my fault. I have allergies and you know it. It's you. We should have picked another place to hide. I'm gonna sneeze. It's you. Oh my god, this is so not how I pictured cuddling with you tonight. Oh my god, next time, my house, no flowers, no dust, just you and me. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze again. It's you. Oh baby, you know stifling makes me sneeze more. Oh, I can't keep stifling this. It's you. I don't think I'm gonna be able to stifle this next one. Oh my god. I'm sorry, baby. I think I kind of soaked you there, didn't I? You know how bad my sneezes are. I can't help it. I'm so sorry. I swear, I'm trying to stop. I'm trying to be quiet. I know I need to be quiet. Muffle my sneezes. But how? Sneeze on you? I know I need to be quiet, but are you sure? Oh my God, this is, I guess, the weirdest romantic moment of my life. Are you sure, baby? Okay, here he comes. Thank you. I know you're trying to help, but the tickle's not going away. It's just getting stronger. I have to let them out. God, I need to sneeze like 10 times in a row to get this over with. My nose is begging for it. I need to sneeze so bad, so bad. I need to sneeze so bad. It's right there, right at the edge. I don't know how much longer I can hold it. Hold it back. I can't. Seriously, I can't hold it back much longer. I can't. No, here it comes. I'm so sorry, hon. I'm such a mess. I didn't want you to see me like this, but I really can't help it. Oh, I gotta sneeze again. I'm so sorry.
What the hell? What exactly are you two doing in there?
Sir, sir, I can explain. It's not what he looks like. Okay, it is what he looks like. The truth is, I love you. I love you.